Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study With Me. I am here starting with a new trigonometric series based on the 11th class uh, trigonometric lessons. Now I am having the first sum, sine square 0 plus sine square pi by 6 radian plus sine square pi by 3 radian plus sine square pi by 2 radian. Here we know that from the trigonometric table, sine square 0 is equal to 0, as sine of 0 is equal to 0. Now sine of pi by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 from the trigonometric table, and sine of pi by 3, that is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine of pi by 2 is equal to 1. Here we will square this value for getting the square term and put this in equation. Now by squaring, sine square pi by 6, that will be equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, sine square pi by 3 will be equal to 3 by 4, as root 3 square will become 3 and 2 square, that is 4, and sine pi by 2 is equal to 1, hence sine square pi by 2 is equal to 1. Now put the values in the given equation. We have 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1, that will be equal to 4 by 4 plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Here, as these denominators are same, I have added the numerators 3 plus 1, so we have got there 4, and 4 divided by 4, the common divisor, and plus this 1, and 0 is neglected as it is a 0, and 4 ones are 4, so we have got here 1, and 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Hence we have got the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.